Hi. So I was just editing this video and I got towards the end and I was like, oh my gosh, I made really bold moves. And that made me want to talk a bit about composition. So a good composition is just a pleasing arrangement of shapes, values, and colors. And you can most likely make a good composition just using your intuition. Because there's no like one rule or formula that I could give you and say, use this and that's how you make a composition. It doesn't work like that. Instead, there are like these guidelines that you could follow or not. Okay? So it all depends on what you want. But the guidelines are there because they are, I don't want to say proven, but I have to say proven because, they are good guidelines. They will really help you build a strong composition. So it all comes down to how much you want to depend on your intuition or not. And our gut feeling can often tell us if we made a good composition or not without following any kinds of rules. All right, let me give you a few examples. So as an artist, you might be painting a painting and you want all your elements to have equal attention, and you do that using your intuition only. And that painting turns out just fine. You love it, it works. Another time you could be painting a painting where you want to put some emphasis on a particular part of your painting. And for that, you might want to use the rule of threes to help you place that focal point. That is when you start using the guidelines to help you. Personally, I think a good combination works the best, but then again, that's just my opinion, guys. So this is where I decide to keep the high horizon. So a high horizon composition emphasizes on the lower part of your painting, like the bottom part is where everything is going on, while the top part feels less important or not as significant. Yeah, so at this point I'm feeling kind of stuck with these shapes that I made, so I just decided to switch everything up. And usually when I do that, I just really go for really bold moves, and that's what you see happening here.